All right, guys, I'm here with my dear friends Riley and Lysandra. We're gonna check out some rental properties.
Okay, pero ahorita están como vinieron a ver opciones, me imagino, ¿no?
Sí, no, vinimos el fin de semana, entonces estamos aprovechando casi que con el tiempo.
Exacto, sí.
Para ver
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola.
Hola. Ah, muy bien, adelante. Mira, este no es el que viste, pero quería mostrártelo, bueno.
Yeah, we're gonna see two of them.
Ajá. Sí,
Perfect.
adelante. Pero son muy similares, son de 70 metros cuadrados.
Okay.
15,000 pesos a month?
¿Este cuánto es?
¿De qué?
¿La renta?
Ah, sí, 15,000 pesos.
Nice.
Igual que el otro.
Good deal. So we're in Playa del Carmen, Quintana Roo, Mexico. Oh, we'll follow where these guys went. Oh, I don't know where they went. Was that utility room?
Yeah. Water tank and stuff.
Water tank.
Está bueno equipado, tiene sus aire aquí en la sala.
Looks pretty nice. Lots of counter space, lots of cupboard space. A little small, but good enough for two people. 15,000 pesos on the Caribbean coast. Oh, you got a little wine rack there even.
Something else you wanna ask?
This place is brand new, I would say. Still got the plastic on stuff. Yeah, AC still got the plastic on it.
Internet, pero bueno, ya creo que eso ya es cuestión del inquilino, o sea, si ustedes quieren poner internet. Sí.
Yeah, this place is brand new. So 2-bedroom.
Sí.
Oh, nice little work table in there. These are nice. Look nice. Not too big. Not too small.
Like a little courtyard there.
Oh, so that's the utility room you guys are looking at? Okay, so there's...
And this is where your washer and dryer would go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, heck, this is nice. Nothing wrong with this at all. So, okay. Nice big mirror. Two bedrooms, one bath though, only one baño. Maybe it's not brand new, it's got right there. One baño.
Parque de mascotas, ay, bueno, este no acepta mascotas, el otro sí acepta mascotas pequeñas.
Okay.
Por eso
They don't accept animals at this one. At the other one that we're going to, they do.
Oh, okay, no pets here. Yeah, there's dogs over there, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go look at one more right here in this complex.
Thanks.
Si quieres,
Nosotros le seguimos.
Oh,
Yeah.
look, they got a CB unit too.
There's 3 dogs over there.
You wanna see the blue?
en la entrada, pero no sé si quieres llevar el coche y ya nada más para no ir y
Okay,
regresar.
yeah, we can go in the car and just stop there.
Okay, we're gonna check out the shared pool. So this is in a gated community as well. Gracias. Oh, they got nice shade there. Palapa. Oh, I got a sink.
Palapa en inglés.
Palapa.
Ajá. Palapa.
Shade or shaded area. Palapa. Yeah. Shade. Sí, de nada.
Y bueno, son, por ejemplo, hay como reglamento condominal, ya sabes, ¿no? Horarios de la oficina, y si quieren hacer eventos se hace como una reservación.
See, this was like Arcadia. No one's using it. There's nobody here. So you got the whole pool to yourself. Oh, they got bathrooms over here too. So they got outdoor bathrooms. Kind of a little dipping pool there with jet tubs. Nice. Okay, my friends, now we're gonna go look at one more here.
En un año la hemos usado 2 veces.
Quizás solo para una celebración o algo, ¿no?
Gracias.
Sí, de nada. Bueno, entonces, ¿me siguen?
Sí, le seguimos.
Vale.
Ok.
Ok.
So we drove about, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes away from the other place. These look very similar from the outside. She said this one's a little bit different than the other one. That one there that we looked at was too small for Riley and Lysandra because his mom will be moving in with them when she comes back from Canada, so. And you've all seen Kim in many, many videos. Oh, this one's ground floor. Plus no yard either, right? Like, that's another downfall about these places. But this is what you can get in Playa Del Carmen for $15,000. Oh, this one's nice too. I like the setup of it.
This is nicer.
Yeah, this is nicer. It is nicer, yeah. How much is this one? Same? 15,000?
15? Sí.
Maybe me and Jen move to Playa Del Carmen.
¿Cómo? ¿Perdón?
Maybe we move here.
Sí. This is very
That'd be perfect for me and Jen. Is pets allowed in this one?
Ya.
Yeah?
Mascotas? Sí.
Sí.
Oh, look at this one's got a little outdoor space, babe.
Mira.
Nice. Okay, so pets are allowed in this one. We'll let them go out there. It looks like a little small and crowded. This looks pretty nice.
Y bueno, tiene su lavasecadora, pequeñita, pero
A little flat screen TV. Watch the boob tube. Catch up on your latest gossip.
This one is for...
I'm gonna go out there. See.
un baño, 2 recámaras. Es que estos originalmente
Oh, this is nice and cool. Oh, okay, so they got a wash machine out here. Nice. Okay, so you got a wash machine. Feel a nice cool breeze. Oh yeah, so you're in the you're in the city of air conditioners. So kind of a little green space out here. Got the hot water tank out here. They got a little storage, wash machine. Perfect. I like this. This is nice. Real brick. Yeah, this is nice. I like this.
¿sabes qué pasa? Perdón.
A little bathroom. But another thing, this would be no good for me and Jen. It's not what we want. Because you can't, there's nowhere to walk to go to a market or anything. No, you got to drive everywhere, right? So, but this is what you can get. I'll turn some lights on for you guys. There you go.
¿Hasta cuánto es tu presupuesto?
Oh, just a rain shower head. Walk-in shower. Nice tile.
Podemos pagarlo, pero es que queremos rebajar un gasto.
Quieren, ajá.
Looks like they're missing the light fixture there.
Una casa de 2 pisos con piscina, 3 cuartos.
Sí. ¿Y ustedes trabajan?
So, bedroom number 1. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. Really nice. Cool. Oh yeah, that's really nice. That's nice. Nice built-in armoire. Beautiful. Looks good. Perfect. Yeah, got a brand new AC, got a nice ceiling fan. Tiny little room, it's pretty small as you can see. Remote control for the ceiling fan. And your remote control for the AC is right there. Yeah, it's a nice little place.
Según nuestra decisión, sí, al final, no sé si él quiere que nosotros pero bueno, que tampoco
Well, my friends, that's it, that's all. Thank you so much for following along with us today. We truly appreciate you all. And if you like our content or find it entertaining, please give us a thumbs up. We'd truly appreciate it. Adios, mis amigos. God bless everybody out there, and peace on earth.